Okay. So I have a broken headset. Naguba ako ang headset sa akong work. So kinahanglan ako ayuhon. Ariyo. That's it. Currently right now I got it duct tape. So we're gonna fix it with this Gorilla Glue. Not sponsored. First steps. Damp it with water. Lightly dampen. Glue it. Clamp it. Okay, first things, we gotta get rid of this duct tape that my lovely husband made. Mona diha. So this is it. That's the problem that I need to fix. Need to put glue so it should stay like this. Okay. So now we got it all cleaned up and ready. All the goop is out. I guess I'm ready to stick it in together. Okay, so I should be able to just stick it all together. Oops. Okay, I guess I'm gonna apply both ends. So I hope this works. If this works, definitely just then it will be good. If this works. I'm not sure if I gotta have to stick it now. I think I should. Or no. Whoa, it doesn't seem like it's working. No, it's not working. Okay, I guess we gotta let it sit first. So I had a big problem earlier. Instead of getting super glue, I got a clear Gorilla Glue from the advice of the salesperson at Lowe's. So I followed him. I did not follow what my husband told me to buy super glue. So it did not work for me because apparently this Gorilla Glue needs 24 hours to cure, and I needed a fastest acting adhesive, and super glue is apparently the fastest acting adhesive, and therefore y'all should follow what your husband tells you to. Anyhow, so I went back to Lowe's and got me my super glue, and we got the same problem still. We have to bond this. Okay. And I'll come back when it is bonded. Okay, let's read the instructions. Clean, precise, and easy to use. The intuitive pen applicator with gel formulas. Frustration free. Yes, I was frustrated earlier. Turn cap clockwise until clicking sound stop. Clockwise and counterclockwise. I think I already did it. Yes. And screw cap. Squeeze sides. Oh. Which side is it talking about? This side? Oh! It is working. Okay. Now, what else did it say? Apply sparingly to one surface. I guess only one surface. I gotta only have to apply it to one surface. And I had to clean it already again earlier. I cleaned it with paint thinner again. I needed to see fast results right away. So, it was my fault too. I just trusted that guy. Well, because I trusted him because he worked at Lowe's. And I did not know where the super glue was located, so I asked him and he showed me and he told me that because I am fixing a headset, I should use that Gorilla one. Okay, I'm pressing this together for 15 to 30 seconds. That's what it says. Ta-da! It has set! It's working. It's working, guys. Hallelujah. Ah, ta-dun, ta-dun, ta-dun. It's working. We got it bonded. Yay. Ready for work tomorrow. Okay, it's the morning after, guys. And it is pretty set. Definitely is working. It's set now. Yay.